Okay, cold steel, fully serrated, Counterpoint XL has been baptized in the holy ritual. Hey, what's up, people? So, my newest acquisition for my collection of very large or extra large cold steel folders, thumb stud, has a triad lock. Right now, I already had the plain edge version, right? And for some of these cold steel folders, I do want both versions at least for collecting purposes, right? So this is the plain edge. This is a newer one. This one I've had for years. So you see the older one has a smooth handle. This has a lot more texture to the handle. The older one is AUS 8A. The newer one is AUS 10A. Right, so that's an upgrade. All right, and these are made in Taiwan. They have 6-inch long blades, and I would say that these are martial knives, right, for either self-defense or just the practice of martial arts, or as a collectible. Nice blades oriented towards piercing, but they can definitely slice and chop. The thing about these large folders is that even though it's a 6-inch long blade length, because it's a folder, they have to make the handle long enough that the blade could fold into it. A lot of extra reach because of those big handles, so this actually would perform more like an 8-inch long blade in terms of the extra reach it gives you in an emergency situation. Now, this is just an overview of these blades because, you know, I don't believe many people are buying them as a work knife unless your work is assassination. The triad lock definitely gives you a lot of extra security. This opens pretty smoothly, by the way. Yeah, I mean, kind of a next best thing to a fixed blade. You got to remember, if you were carrying a fixed blade instead of this, right, a fixed blade the same length of this closed, right, the handle would be here, so the fixed blade, its blade length would be very short, be like a boot knife in the same space that this takes up, right? So do you want to carry a boot knife with a 3 or 3.5 inch blade, or do you want to carry this, but you know, you have to fold it out before use? Well, a lot of people would say this. Okay, so that was my overview of the newest addition to my collection, right? I'll include links below. You want to pick one up. This was only $66, so that's a pretty good price, definitely. And I will end the video with the ritual consecration of this with the blood of some water bottles, right? So let me roll that in. I hope you enjoy. Great success! Alright, 3. Oh yeah! I hope you enjoyed that. Yeah, these are sharp. Now, plastic is not difficult, but cutting them so the bottoms don't fall, that does take some skill because it has to be going at a certain speed. Okay, cold steel, fully serrated, Counterpoint XL has been baptized in the holy ritual. It's a pretty cool knife. Get yourself one.